Runway upgrades its Gen-3 Turbo AI video generator. Runway has upgraded its fast Gen-3 Turbo, a video generating tool with the ability to use an input image as the first or last frame of the generated video. The AI-based video platform is known for creating tools that enable users to produce realistic AI-generated videos and animations. Therefore, it recently launched its Gen-3 Alpha in June, supplementing the tool's capabilities to generate videos in virtually any style imaginable. However, the new Gen-3 Turbo will allow users to create a 10-second video. Although it only works for image-to-video generation, when using an image as a prompt, it offers a better experience as compared to the previous Gen-3 Alpha model. With the recent update to Gen-3, Runway has now introduced example prompts that appear under the text box, giving users a structured prompt based on the AI platform's guide, which includes suitable keywords and phrases to improve realism. In each example, you'll get the best phrasing and spacing for your customizations and get the best quality motion from the prompt. For instance, you can give a prompt as handheld tracking shot following a subject in a place. Moreover, the Turbo model can be used to animate the image used in the prompt, unlike the base model, which can only be used without an image. Similarly, Runway's also made its Gen-3 Alpha model available on its popular iOS app, now enabling users to animate any image, including a picture captured on your phone.